Golaghati constitution khobja Sepahijala remchini Rwngnogo bahino hasteni kreng hape baksa phungni dam chini tampurun chimi Tristia Chongmarini butna harmani changjaka phungni dam chinin chimi dam chajra bebagai 91 broadcasting inka nishai knarga bazo tongnai ado fadhake nainelenu Sepahijala remchini Rwngnogo chimi kotma thunai nito debrumani bureau report
lamsako Swrangchati na khapani takute buksong angko nito debruma dini sang Sepahijala Sepahijala high secondary school of Sepahijala tamni ngake jotnaro jotonu saimano dini angka gram panchayat ni election cholui tongo Sepahijala wo no Sepahijala ni wujani simi paki jora nongno pununa bagai angkini Sepahijala no manju tonu kore pai boba hai cholui tong hai kaba kuno party mong hai kaba kuno program lo ade orni duro bai bokse phane saina yana hari Tapos po ito, basta kastil ko sulit ito.
So, ekon tantas, hapten sini apa 38, male ke 26, female ke 12, total 38. Ke kalau ke apa di sini, dosto semua itu isi semua kilometer. Apa kilometer?
Tapos po ito, kuno deramong, heka machine deramong. Hai kaba borok je kono borok problem lo kadang sar tapso point to
machine to krim mo je to
derang mo kono kre
santo 91 oh tahu 91 sangat
tega aise Sepahijala এখন কোন জায়গা বুট চলতেছে Sepahijala স্কুলে আপনি কোনো এখানে কোনো বুট অঞ্চল কোনো অসুবিধা আছে না কোনো অসুবিধা নাই এখন বুট দিয়া লাইছো না বুট দিছ ওখানে দিব আপনি পরিচয়টা
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikaria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikaria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.